Shopify Tap to Pay tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to enable tap payment in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard you can navigate to settings in the bottom left corner here, and then you can go to payments here, payment tab here. You can click on it. And then as you can see, you have two payments method, the primary one and the second one, the additional one. So we're gonna add in additional payment method because we don't want to make it the primary. So you can click add payment method here, and then you can click more views and choose search by provider. Then in the search box you can type tap, and you will find tap payments here. You can click on it and then click again. And as you can see, this is the description about tap payments. After you read it, you can just click install here, and then you can just click install again after you read this terms and condition. And then you can select your country. Because my country is not there, so I cannot continue. So you can just continue and follow the instruction. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.